Hey everyone, it's Anthony James with AJ Stone Life. Today we're transforming this concrete floor from a dull, rough surface into a beautiful polished concrete floor. Before we get started, let me show you the equipment we're using. Right here we have our Wolfpack 3-motor vacuum. Dust control is a huge part of the polishing process. And over here we have our Stonecrete grinder. This is the machine that does the heavy lifting and allows us to refine the concrete surface step by step. Now we're starting the grinding process. The first set of diamonds is designed to cut into the concrete. It grinds, right, the first level, remove imperfections and prepare the surface for polishing. As we move through the process, we gradually work through multiple stages of diamonds. Each stage refines the floor a little more, removing the scratch patterns from the previous steps and creating a smoother surface. One of the most important parts of concrete polishing is patience. So if you don't have patience, go get another job. You can't skip steps if you want a high quality. Every pass builds on the previous one. As we continue refining the concrete, the floor starts becoming denser, smoother, and more reflective. Look at that shine, boy. This is where you really begin to see the transformation take place. We're getting close to the final steps now, and you can already see how much cleaner and brighter the floor looks compared to where it started. The end result is a durable, low-maintenance surface with a beautiful, natural shine that can last for years. You'll probably die first before the floor messes up. Take a look at the difference. The floor started out dull and worn, and now it's a polished concrete surface that completely changed the appearance of the space. If you're interested in concrete polishing, marble restoration, terrazzo restoration, or floor restoration services, contact AJ Stone Life. Who's your daddy? You already know. AJ Stone Life.